Hi, thanks for visiting us here at Silverlake Automotive. We're a full-service auto repair facility located in Coeur, right next to Applebee's, across the street from the mall. We've been in business for a little over 10 years now. We're a fully certified ASE shop. We're also AAA approved for auto repair. We were just recently voted the #1 repair shop in North Idaho by the North Idaho Business Journal. You can visit us online at www.silverlakeautorepair.com. And feel free to give us a call or stop in anytime. Our phone number is 208-772-6081, and we'd love to see you here. Thank you.
Silverlake calling all, your full service auto center. We are fully ASE certified. Please touch base today, 772-6081. Have a good day.